Hey there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies that you can find on the ukestuff.info website for free. Yeah, it's on my website for free. Elizabeth allows that book as well as some of her other works to be there for free, no strings attached. You don't have to enter your email or anything. The link is right there. This is for the song The Farmer's Daughter that you can find on page 33 of that book. Now, these songs were originally written for low G GCEA ukulele, though many of the songs do work with high G, and they will also work with baritone as well if you just ignore the actual written notation and just play the tablature instead. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the song on low G GC ukulele, then do a tutorial on low G GC ukulele. Then after that, I will do a demonstration on high G GC ukulele, and then also for baritone as well. If after playing this video you find that you like chord melody, there are a number of other resources I can recommend to you. If you go to ukestuff.info again and then to ukulele music, not only will you find the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale, you'll find some of my works, you'll find works by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, and a link to the website of the late ukulele Mike Lynch and his paid resources. I also have 3 books of chord melodies available that you can find at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. And I also have a beginner ukulele book if you know anyone that would like to learn how to play ukulele. If you want to support the work that I'm doing here on YouTube and in the ukulele world, not only can you buy those books, but you can also buy me a coffee at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, or you can make a donation directly here on YouTube. All right, let's begin with a demonstration of The Farmer's Daughter on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. This is my tenor Koaloha Opio Sapele ukulele. Right now, let's do a tutorial or walkthrough of the song. One of the things that Elizabeth does is she puts the chords you need to play at the very top of the screen. So let's go over those quickly. You've got a B flat chord. That's probably the hardest one for many ukulele players and GC ukulele. Take your first finger and cover strings 1 and 2 right above the metal first fret and pull against the fretboard. And if you're holding your ukulele securely with your strumming hand or your picking hand, whichever it's going to be, if you're holding it securely there, you can pull against that fretboard like you're going to launch something off of it. And then that will give you most of the sound you need. Add your thumb for some light support, but it's still a pull, and then add 2 fingers. Then we've got our C chord, the F chord, and a different G minor chord. So think of the G7 shape, but build it on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then put the other 2 fingers around it, and just play strings 4, 3, and 2. Those are the 4 chords you're going to need in the song. Now let's walk through note by note or chord by chord, starting on the 3rd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, string 2 twice, strings 4, 3, and 2, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, F chord with the pinky in the 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, that G minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, strings 4 and 3 open, back to that G minor chord, strings 4 and 3 open. Repeat the 3rd string, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string twice, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, F chord with the pinky in the 1st string 3rd fret. 1st string open, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, now that B flat chord. 1st string open, G minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 1st fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, strings 4 and 3 open. 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. second string twice, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, F chord with the pinky in the 1st string, 3rd fret. Normal F chord, repeat the 1st string twice. G minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, twice. Ring finger comes down to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's The Farmer's Daughter on low G GCA ukulele. Now I'm going to demonstrate the song on high G GC ukulele. I'll be using my Cocobolo concert ukulele. Now I'll demonstrate the song on baritone ukulele as well. This is my mainland cedar baritone. Just as a side note, remember that the written notation does not match to the actual pitches at this point. The tablature is correct, will work correctly, but the actual written notation does not work, the traditional notation. Thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Elizabeth Ragsdale's arrangement of The Farmer's Daughter, again on page 33 of her 100 chord melodies that you can find at ukestuff.info. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.